Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm playing Murder Mystery 2, and I'm a sheriff apparently, so we gotta try to find them and kill them. It's really a beautiful sight. Alright, so who do I think it is? Somewhere in here. I just will get that. If someone would stab someone already. Yeah. I heard a slash. Did you hear it? Comment down below if you heard it. Oh man. Dang it! Okay. Okay, we're back here now. And unfortunately, I did get killed. But we're fine. We're fine. It's fine. It's good. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. Because we can. We got a lot of candy. Let's try to see if we can get a button. What's this? Okay. So we're gonna. I have a bad habit. Let's hope I get something good. Cause it was slime. Slime. Ooh, okay. I like slime. Go ahead and put that on. Ooh, it's Halloween. Alright, let's rename my pets. Because we can. I was trying to name it Spooky. Let's see if this works. Alright. Okay, so well, got the murderer. We're just gonna name you Spooky because we can. That's my Halloween gear. Alright. Alright, we're going. Innocent. Okay, so my chance to be murderer is 4. Wonderful. Okay. Oh, question. Alright, guys, so we saw who died. We visually saw the gun. Ooh, she's Puppy Garden. Did I not get her? Come on, come on. Okay, so apparently someone got her. Oh no. Alright, guys. So tomorrow, or like sometime this week, I'm gonna do another Enchantix roleplay. I'm so excited for it because like last time it was really fun. And I don't know what kind of fairy I'm going to be. I might, because like last time, I joined Dark Fairies and they already had like 5 people on their team, so I just said, if you want to be in a YouTube roleplay, join Dark Fairies, so. Yeah. Yay! Innocents win! But I lost. Okay, what am I? Yes! We're gonna give him. I think she's gonna lose. Okay, she won. Got him. The sheriff knows it's me. There's that sheriff. Oh, they're not close to me. Oh, he got me. Dang. Okay, guys. So, I was killed. Yay. Wow, wow. Good game. Good game. You could hear him trying to get me though. Like, it was funny. Okay, so I'm an innocent. At least this map, well, I can even tell. Let's see. Nope, alright, I'm done here. Hi. Can I get in here? Please? Alright, she's good. Dang it, he got me. Okay, guys, I just wanted to point something out. This is the best group you will ever join, so I really suggest you join it. Other than that, like and subscribe, please, and comment down below what you think, and what fairy I should be for the fairy enchanting style roleplay. Bye!